Enlarge your favourite design onto A3 paper. To make my picture interesting, I'm going to create some ombre effects. The easiest way to do this is to first of all add water to one section of the drawing, then add the watercolour paint to one side of that section, and then use more water to drag that paint across, and then it will fade from a brighter colour into a much lighter colour. The lighter colour is called a tint, the darker colour is a shade. I'm going to do the same again on a different section. I'm choosing a section that's apart from the other section so that the two colours don't run into each other. This time I'm going to create an ombre effect where two colours blend into each other. So I've wet the section as I did before, but instead of just adding one colour, I've added the red to one side of it and the blue to the other side. And then I'm just going to use some water to help the two colours mix in the middle together. Here I'm going to do an ombre effect again. This time I've done the whole section in yellow, and then I'm going to add some orange over the top of it on one side whilst it's all still wet. So this will help the two colours blend into each other and it'll have a much more subtle change in shade. So you don't have to just stick to two colours. Here I've mixed three colours together. Use the lid of your palette to mix your colours. To get darker shades, wet your paint, then dry your brush and then put your brush back into the paint. I'm just adding some details here with a darker shade of purple. And now I've sped this last bit up for you. Refer to your design for the colours that you use.